Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to power off the device. Now there's just two ways of doing it. You can either hold power key and volume down to get the menu, so power and volume down. If you just hold power key, it will not give you the options, so there is one. Or you can simply pull down the notification panel and you have the power button right here. Tap on it and it gives you the same options. So choose power off and once more. Now once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Samsung Galaxy S20, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So in here you will use volume keys to navigate. In order to select wipe and data factory reset right here. Not sure if this is visible, but yeah, select wipe data factory reset, and once it has the blue line across, you press power key, and then once more select factory data reset using volume keys and then confirm it with power key. And get a dialog at the bottom, and last thing you should see is data wipe complete. And reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more and the device will now power back on. Now it will be doing that a little bit longer than it normally does because the reset is actually continuing in the background, but once it's finished we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.